Bestway H2OGO Turbo Splash Inflatable Mega Bouncy Castle Water Park. Why leave your home when you can have your very own constant air Turbo Splash Zone Mega Water Park? Ideal for kids aged 5 to 10, they will love climbing the wall, sliding down the curved slide, or soaking their friends with the water spray cannon. Featuring a large play pool to splash into at the end of the slide. This inflatable water park has everything you need to keep the kids entertained throughout the summer. There's even a secret bucket at the top of the slide that randomly drenches anyone and helps to keep the slide super slippery. As well as all its fun features, this kids' water park has a number of practical features. The mesh shoe holder helps keep their shoes safe and dry when they are busy getting soaked. The included air blower makes setup quick and easy. Simply attach and watch as the park comes to life in less than 2 minutes. Once inflated, use the included ground stakes to secure the park and watch as your kids and their friends explore their inflatable park. Curved slide. This all-in-one water park will have you twisting and turning down the curved water slide. Easy setup. The heavy-duty blower inflates the water park in less than 2 minutes. Pool area. Comes with a large play pool area and climbing wall with 3 handles and 5-foot steps. Water soaker. A water blaster gun is attached to the park, so you can spray your friends while they slide and ride. Dumping bucket. Comes with a dumping bucket that drops water randomly for a soaked surprise, which keeps the slide sloppy.